Hello kids! Today we're going to learn about street vehicles and their names. But first, have you subscribed to my channel Cloud Litera? First, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Cloud Litera.
This is an ambulance. It takes patients to the hospital quickly.
This is an auto rickshaw. It carries passengers short distances.
This is a bicycle. It's healthy and eco-friendly.
This is a bus. Buses carry many passengers together.
Let's learn about the vehicles we see every day. This is a car. Cars carry people from one place to another.
This is a cement mixer truck. It helps build houses.
This is a delivery van. It brings packages to us.
This is an electric car. It runs on clean energy.
This is a fire brigade. It helps put out fires. This is a garbage truck. It keeps our city clean. This is a minibus. It's smaller than a big bus.
This is a motorcycle. It's fast and fun, but always wear a helmet.
This is a scooter. It's easy to ride in the city. This is a tempo. It carries goods in the city. This is a tractor. It helps farmers with heavy work. This is a truck. Trucks carry heavy loads.
Hi! Subscribe to my channel Cloud Litera. It's full of fun videos for my lovely subscribers.